out.
Big Mama, let me finish this for Mama. 1 second.
Init.
Nag-airta close Dubai. Kailan na din?
How sweet it is to be loved by you. How sweet it is to be loved by you. I needed the shelter of someone's arms. There you were. I needed someone to understand my ups and downs. There you were, with sweet love and devotion, deeply touching my emotion. I want to stop. Thank you, baby. I want to stop. I want to stop.
Ang panyaga ko sa Regina, lechon kawali. Tapos ang panyaga ko, 2 spicy chicken. Ang rice meat yung 1 crispy alaking. Yung may plain rice pa kin.
Hindi. Tama ka, exage niya.
Iya, nasa acting mo
So we're currently here at Cebu for
Bizarre 2026. Bizarre?
when we're doing this project, we used to
Nakaka-receive ba? Di ba may ka pa man?
225 pa mo?
Di, of the mo story harap ko para hindi sa para Google.
Ay, ugulin no kung mamangkot basta ng data, no? Pa-pull out ko lang ang sheets.
Uy,
Nanti madala kayo pala. Gets ko.
teka mga Krishna.
Hindi Tagalog, di ba? Depende kung Tagalog.
By time.
Gagawin din ba kaya?
Buhay na to.
Mando na
So,
Meron din yung mga materials sa mga buildings na tinatawag, like mga asphalt, concrete, sila ang tinatawag nating parang sponge na ma-absorb ng init.
That's some cool shit right
Diba?
there.
Isip ko, more lang yung nabasa niya. Hindi ko na.
So here we are right now on our day 0 of Pizart, and Vince Carlo Carreño is what?
Gonna clean up your looks with all the lies in the books to make a citizen out of you.
Check na lang, check.
They sleep with a gun.
Gusto nga pala na ba check sir?
Yan, tayo may jacksapin.
Sir, ano naman ba? Ano naman ba?
Okay lang.
Sabi ko naman ikan guys, oh. Ito, kakalform mayo.
Yeah.
vlogger yan.
And keep an eye on you, son, so they can watch all the things you do. Because the drugs never work, they gonna give you a smirk. Cause they got methods of keeping you clean. They gonna rip up your heads, your aspirations to shreds. Another cog in the murder machine.
Ano po to, sir? Ano po to?
This is a Flip Music exclusive.
Yeah. Tara. Sumama ka sa akin.
Gago kisa lang niya, mabalik pa tayo, hindi naman.
Hey, pa din ka, boss.
Archive Cebu.
Alam mo na, dadalhin kita. Kasi gusto.
Oh, na-roll!
kilos nito matagaktak. Sa bilis may pumapalakpak. Abutin natin ng langit, ibuka ang pakpak. Lang hapin ng halimuyak
Ano mo
ng
na
mga
ako
bulaklak.
Yeah, planado.
Nakikita nyo.
Akin yan.
Iyakin yan.
Ako'y paro-paro, nakadapo sa iyong damo. Sa liwanag ng ganda mo, ang daming nabibighaning gamo-gamo.
Hindi mo papitingin ang talan. Oops, suldoan. Ayun na naman. Paldo.
Muli na.
Kasyaw. Hindi na mabulo ko
Do, lalabot ang kutas mo nga dlaw. Do, paldo.
Amo ni ang makakauwi yan sa kabuyan. Hindi na susundot. Absento ni. Kurasa. Kita ka ng break time ng date.
Gusto ko man. Hey! Hey! Tumahay dyan! Na-convert na sa susunod. Lipak na yun, lipak!
Hindi magsuyuko na.
Ang sapatos!
Kandila.
Lipak, lipak! Lipak! Go, gusto mo. Agay! Agay! Agay!
YouTube videos. Or is it modern science itself? So to answer such questions, we analyze spontaneous drawings drawn by students from K to 6 in order to find out their own approximate idea of what space is. So for our objectives, we have 3. First is to identify and categorize recurring elements, classified elements, and
Best meal of the day. Kabla, hindi na mga text mo. Kabla kan, hindi na mga text mo.
You can tell by the way I use my walk. I'm
Kung gaano siya, camera siya ito.
a woman's man, no time to talk. Music loud, women want being kicked around since I was born.
Soltero na bata ko! Soltero na bata ko na! May bigyan ka na to! Pang 8 na outfit change. Let's go!
Mr. Worldwide to infinity. You know the roof on fire. We go boogie, oogie, oogie, jiggle, wiggle, and dance like the roof on fire. We go drink drinks and take shots until we fall out like the roof on fire. Now, baby, get my booty naked, take off all your clothes and light the roof on fire. Tell her, baby, 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 I'm on fire. I tell her, baby, 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 I'm a fireball.
Thank you, Isat.
And now, presenting the legendary.
As a resibo, conscious body. Do karon gani.
Kasi mo gana eh.
Pay way takan kumaan kundiin.
Yan talaga. Hindi nga ngayon ako.
Hey, you, yeah.